going on?
What?
What the fuck? Why? Why the fuck are you walking up on me? No.
More than anybody. No, who's filming me? This has got to be a prank.
Now come on now.
I think she got him from Plato's Closet.
Hey, give me a hug. Why do I need a hug?
One was right there. Nobody. That's when he's going down. What's going on here?